The first step is to create your project in PageMajik. The recommended best practice is to keep your CSV file ready before you get started so that you can import the list of editors, authors, co-authors, and chapters into the system right away. This is the expected structure of the CSV file. Multiple author names and their email IDs are separated by a semicolon character. It is important to ensure that the order of the author names matches the order of their respective email IDs. You also have the option of entering the targeted word or page count. This is useful to identify chapters that exceed the planned word or page count. Select a category from the drop-down list. Enter your book name and click on Create. You will see a message that confirms the successful creation of your project in the top right-hand corner. You are now in the SmartSubmit module. Select a scheduler template. Set a start date for your project. The next option is to either import the CSV file that you have ready, or you can enter the total number of planned chapters for your project. Clicking on the Import Using CSV button allows you to select your CSV file for this project. You can now see that the CSV file has been imported and your book's table of contents has been created. If your project has files that need to be sent to the author, say from a previous edition, you can click on the plus icon to add files that are specific to that chapter. Select your files from your local computer and click on Open. A message will appear confirming that your files have been uploaded, and the plus icon will change to indicate the presence of files. Clicking on the icon opens a window showing the files attached. You can add more files, or delete the files uploaded and upload new files at any time. You can use the interface to reorder the chapter list, delete a chapter, or add a new chapter. All these can be done at any time. If you are satisfied with your table of contents, you can click on the Continue button to go to Step 2 of SmartSubmit. Step 2 is to schedule reminders and manage the final submission date. You can change the dates in the relevant column for all or some of the chapters, based on your selection. When you apply all the changes made, they will reflect in the respective columns. You can also mute any reminder. As you can see in this example, we are muting the fourth reminder. Click on the three dots to select the Mute All option if you want to mute or pause all reminders. Click on Save to move to Step 3 of SmartSubmit. This screen allows you to use the same CSV file and import the data of all editors, authors and co-authors, and their respective chapters. Click on Import Using CSV to see a complete list of all users assigned to each chapter along with their respective roles. You can view the legend for the icons used for the roles by clicking on the eye icon. You can quickly scan through the list of users to ensure that your author and editor setup is correct. Once you have confirmed all the entries, click on the Import button to import all the users. You will get a message when the user information has been saved successfully. Click on the Continue button to go to the next step. If you have not set up your contract templates and email templates for the invite and reminder email, SmartSubmit will force you to complete the setup before you can proceed to the next step. Click on the Mail Template icon on the shortcut bar. This will open the Mail Template module. Here you can create and assign all necessary templates for your project. Select your template type from the drop-down list, then select Template as part of your project form and then select the group. In this case, Contract. And select a template, which you can use as is or modify, for this specific project. You will see a preview of the selected template on the right-hand side. Click on the Assign button when you are sure of the template that you want to use. The other templates in the drop-down list can be previewed the same way. You will see a message confirming the successful assignment. Next, follow the same steps but this time select Mail from the template type. Select the appropriate group and select the actual template that you want to use, preview it, and then assign it to your project. After you have assigned all the emails to your project, you need to edit and customize each template to personalize the messaging for your project. You can see that you have 3 categories of folders. Click on the SmartSubmit invitation. The actual email template assigned to your project appears. Notice the red favorite icon on the top right. This tells you that this template is active and assigned to this project. Clicking on the edit icon will take you into the email editor. You can edit the email to best reflect the messaging for your project. You can change the signature line to reflect your name. You can also send a package of instructions to the author as email attachments. Click on SmartSubmit from the breadcrumb. This will automatically take you to the third step. Click on Continue to save the author details that have been imported. The fourth step shows you the chapters and their respective assignments to your authors. Clicking on the author group shows the chapters assigned on the left. You can use this screen to change chapter assignments. The green tick mark shows you that the chapter has been assigned. Click on the Manage Editors icon. You can assign chapters to your section or supervising editor using this interface. Click on Save and then click on Submit. This will send your project into the approval queue.